You know what it is in this motherfucker? Do you hear that? Can you see that? But no, you can't, cause it ain't now. You can't see now. Flying up in the motherfucking sky. Airplanes, they fly high. You see the moon on the top of that street? What? That's a motherfucking demon coming after me. I'm up behind a tree. I'm walking underneath street lights down the street. I got my motherfucking dog and my motherfucking light. Yesterday was St. Patty's Day, so now I'm coming down. What the time is? Motherfuckers just don't know what the time is. They don't know. Oh, no. I'm walking down the street smoking weed. That's what I mentioned. Oh, no. You don't know. I got motherfucking mansions right next though. Oh. What does that say? Motherfucking JK on the 316 was just the other day when I got out. Look at that house. Maybe one day that could be my house. They don't know it's real nice here. Look at that's me. Look at underneath there. I'm underneath the street lights, carrying my stick like J to the motherfucking K with my motherfucking AK. It's all day. I'll be about it. Motherfuckers just don't even never know about it. Oh, my halo underneath these motherfucking street lights. Oh, they know. Your motherfuckers just don't know. That's not my house. Neither is that. That's not my house. So I gotta get back to my crib. Doing big shit now. Look at me now. Up in this bitch. Walking down the street with my AK. Walking down the street. Motherfucking saying JK. Gotta keep moving. Ain't got no motherfucking limp. Just saying what. So motherfucker don't touch it. I'm at the door, but I just don't get motherfuckers. So don't know. Say what, motherfucker? Shut up. I don't give a fuck what the street lights say. JK in this bitch. Yeah, motherfucker J to the motherfucking K. This motherfucking biatch. All day, motherfucker. I'm whispering shit up on the streets. Motherfucker for me. Simon motherfucking street, bitch. Don't touch my street.